Welcome, my beautiful people, to Florida Kitchen once again. Today we'll be making some rice mixed with beans. Now, I know that I have one already in my channel. However, the one that I did was more like a Costa Rican type of rice mixed with beans. The one I'll be making is a Nicaraguan one. So we put oil in a pan, just this amount, okay? And the first thing is that we'll be adding onions. Like about how much of an amount of onions?
Not too much.
Just a little bit. Now, the best thing for a gallo pinto, or the way that we say it in our country, which is the same thing as rice mixed with beans, is to make the rice a night before. So this rice is from the night before. If you want a tasteful gallo pinto rice mixed with beans, make the rice a night before, and it would taste so much better for the rice mixed with beans. Now, in many Caribbean restaurants, they offer this type of rice mixed with beans, and Nicaraguans are famous for this type of rice mixed with beans. Now, the next step is that we're going to be opening a can of beans. Now, if you want to be making your own type of beans, that's okay. Now, the ones that we're using is the Bush black beans. But, Mommy, how come you're not using the Goya ones? The Goya black beans.
Do you want?
Oh, okay, okay. Because I think Goya is a little better as far as the brands.
Look at the onions.
Okay. So you're going to fry those onions. Okay. So you don't wait too long, right? And then you start it to add.
No, ya le había puesto que se quemara el año.
Oh, okay. Did you wash the beans?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Do you have to wash the beans?
If you want.
Okay, it's up to you. How long do you leave the beans there fried?
Maybe 15 minutes. 20 minutes.
Like 20 minutes?
Oh, 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Perfect.
And then you are going to put the rice.
All right. It's awesome. So you see, it's very simple. But Nicaraguans eat a lot of this food on a daily basis, even for breakfast. So you see how popular that is. So we're going to leave it for 15 minutes. All right, that actually it's not 15 minutes, Mommy says. This is so funny. It's actually about 3 minutes, okay? So we're going to stop that timer. That was so funny. But these are the funny things that happen at Florida Kitchen. So you pretty much wait like 3 minutes top, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think 2 minutes, 3 minutes top.
10 minutes?
Yeah. How much rice do you put for 1 can of beans?
Okay, it depends of amount of beans.
Right, but you put 1 can of beans. So how much rice was that?
Yeah.
I think that was about
About a bowl.
like a bowl,
Yeah, like a bowl.
which is probably, I think that's like a cup and a half.
No. Half.
A cup exactly, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Si usted mira, este arroz le falta un poquito de aceite.
So we need to put more oil, right?
Yeah.
Because it's dry, it's a little dry.
Yeah.
Okay. So the secret is not to leave the beans frying for a long time. All right. So right now we're having the games, the soccer games in Russia, and that's why the television is on for those soccer games. Wow, that looks good. I know you could also do gallo pinto with red beans too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's very popular with red beans in Nicaragua. So God bless everyone in Nicaragua who eat this delicious foods. I know that they're passing a very difficult time, and I pray that nobody loses their life anymore. Our hearts go out to our people. So beautiful. How long do you let it stay?
A little more time, but not too much, and on a low fire.
On a low heat, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So probably like about 5 minutes, probably, right?
Probably.
Yeah. That looks really good, Mom. Really, really delicious. Okay, my beautiful friends, so this is the finished touch. The gallo pinto, or the rice mixed with beans, has finished, has done, and it looks delicious. So you could eat this with any type of protein. Nicaraguans like to eat it with tortilla and some type of Nicaraguan cheese. Yeah, Nicaraguan cheese, that's what I was saying. So guys, comment, subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow Nicaraguans, with fellow Costa Ricans, with anybody that's out there that likes to watch cooking videos. I love you guys, all of you guys, and hope to see you soon with more videos here at Florida Kitchen. Bye-bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.